Join me as I dive into the world of LCID stock and try to predict what's next for investors like us. LCID stock has been on the radar of many investors lately, and for good reason. The electric vehicle market is booming, and LCID is one of the key players in this space. The company has been making waves with its innovative approach to sustainable energy solutions. However, as with any investment, there are risks involved. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what's driving LCID's stock price and what investors can expect in the coming months. LCID faces stiff competition in the EV market. Companies like Tesla and Rivian are well-established players, and LCID needs to continue to innovate to stay ahead. One of the main challenges LCID faces is scaling up production to meet growing demand. The company has been working to ramp up its manufacturing capabilities, but it's a complex process. Production issues have been a concern for LCID investors. Any delays or setbacks could impact the company's ability to meet its targets. Investor sentiment is also a key factor to consider. If investors lose confidence in LCID's ability to execute, the stock price could take a hit. On the other hand, if LCID can demonstrate its ability to overcome these challenges, the stock price could soar. Let's take a closer look at LCID's business model. The company focuses on designing, manufacturing, and selling electric vehicles. LCID's recent news has been focused on its efforts to expand its product line and increase production capacity. Market trends are also worth watching. The EV market is growing rapidly, and LCID is well positioned to benefit from this trend. LCID's stock price has been impacted by recent market volatility. However, the company's long-term prospects look strong. One critical insight to keep in mind is that LCID's future success will depend on its ability to execute on its plans. If the company can deliver on its promises, the stock price could see significant gains. In terms of forecast, some analysts predict that LCID's stock price will continue to rise. However, there are also potential risks to consider. Any disruptions to production or changes in market trends could impact the stock price. A recent development that's worth noting is LCID's partnership with a major automotive company. This partnership could help LCID expand its reach and increase its production capacity. A significant market shift that's worth watching is the growing demand for sustainable energy solutions. LCID is well positioned to benefit from this trend, but it's not the only company in the space. To recap, we've discussed the challenges facing LCID stock, including market competition and production issues. We've also taken a closer look at LCID's business model and recent news. The future of LCID stock looks bright, but there are risks to consider. If you're an investor in LCID stock, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What do you think is the biggest challenge facing LCID, and how do you think the stock price will perform in the coming months? Also, be sure to check out our other video on the top EV stocks to watch in 2023.